They say luck is when preparation meets opportunity. For the city of Columbus, Indiana, opportunity is knocking. This small town, famous for producing some of the world's most incredible people, is about to share another gift to the world. This is the journey of the Columbus North Marching Band as they make their way to play on one of the world's biggest stages, the Inaugural Parade in Washington, D.C. Their hours of practice, choreography, and talent are going to be seen by millions. These students are about to share the heart of Columbus. This city of opportunity presents the sound of North.